We will now see a new topic, calls in Java. Just like in C and CPP, you have two kind of calls in Java. Call by value, where values are passed, and call by reference. Now, compared to your C and CPP, calls by reference in Java are very, very easy. Remember, in C and CPP, you were using pointers, right, for call by reference, isn't it, Bibit? And if I'm not wrong, all of you are fed up with pointers. You hate pointers. Okay, so things are very easy in Java. Call by reference, you do not pass pointers because Java does not have pointers. Thanks to Java, you don't have pointers. Instead, you will be passing objects to a method. Objects to a method. And when you do call by value, the original values are not changed. Call by value, the original values are not changed. But in call by reference, the values are changed. Let's see a small example. Have a question. Let's go simple. Swap two numbers using call by reference. Sorry, we'll do call by value first. Swap two numbers, call by value. Okay. First we'll see call by value. In case the meeting gets over, please log on to a new link. Okay, Babet? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will have a call by value. Okay, I'm lazy typing. A class CBV. And I've got two integers. Let's say int a is equal to 10. Int b is equal to 20. Now, what I want to do is, I need to swap these numbers. So let's do a SOP first. I'll do an SOP. And then before swap, a is equal to okay, I'm just simply displaying A and B before swapping, and I'm using a function because call by values and call by reference, it happens with the help of function. I'm calling a swap function A comma B. I am swapping A comma B and then printing it again to see the swapped values after swap. Okay, that is clear. Very simple. I've got two values. I'm swapping them with the help of a function. Okay, I'll take away this. I'm swapping it. Before swapping, I'm displaying it. After swapping, I am displaying it. Okay. Now, let me have a function. Public static void. What was my function name? Swap fn. Swap fn. Okay. I should be passing two integers, int a comma int b. And now I am going to write my swap function over here. The very simple function, int c is equal to a is equal to b is equal to, okay, I'm swapping, control C, control V, after swap inside function. Okay, that's it, my program. I'm passing my values, I call it call by values. I'm calling a function over here. The values are passed, the values go in here, and all what I'm doing here is I'm just doing a swapping. I had written this particular swap function outside the class. So all what I want to do is I'll control X, put it inside my class. I'll save my program. Now I'm going to run my program. Okay, let me open up a command prompt. Can you see a command prompt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go into my particular folder. The program name was cbv.java. Okay, now I am going to run my program. Now my program was to swap two integers. To swap two integers. Now look into my result. Look into my result. Okay. Now before swapping, I had a equal to 30, b equal to 45. When I go inside the function, a is still 30, b is 45. When I start my function, I do all my swapping process. Once I have finished up the swapping process, inside the function itself, a and b have been swapped. A has become 45, b has become 30. Is it clear, Anushri, till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I come out of my function. I do not get the swapped values. I still have the values called 30 and 45. Is the output very, very clear? Before swapping, I have 30, 45. Inside the function, the values are swapped. But when I come out of the function, A is still the same old value and B is also the same old value. I will take my program once again. Could all of you mute? I have a lot of disturbances. Could all of you mute? Okay, good. Anushri, unmute when I tell you. Okay, Anushri?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look here. Let's come back to my program. We have a main function. I've got a equal to 30, 45. I'm doing the display of a and b over here. I'm swapping it. Okay. Now here I have a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 45. Okay. Here that is the output. I am calling the function swap function a comma b. I go here. When I start my program, there is no change in the output because the same values are being passed. I am doing a call by value. Values are passed. A is equal to 30, 45. I do my swapping over here. Here values are changed. Values are changed and I get A is equal to 45 and A is equal to 30. When I come out of my function, it is the same A and B. I come out of my function, still, A is 30, B is 45. These values are not changed. Okay. Now, why it happens like this is, in Java, call by value, we normally return the primitive types. Hope you remember what is a primitive type. Int, float, char, double, all those are your primitive types. So whenever we are returning primitive types, look here, A and B is integer, right? A and B is integer. I am passing A and B. Here also it is int. Whenever you are passing primitive types, the values never change. Okay, that is what you mean by call by value in Java. Call by value in Java means you will be passing primitive types. You will be passing primitive types. You can do all your manipulations, whatever you want. But after the call, the values will not change. Look here, the values will not change. Okay, this is what you mean by call by value. You're passing values over here, primitive values. Okay, you are passing values. Values means nothing but primitives. You are passing primitives. So, after the function call, the values will not change. Anushri, are you getting me? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what kind of a parameter do you call this? This is your C revision. What are these parameters called? What do you call these parameters? What do you call these parameters, Anushri? In the main function, when you pass value, tell me, what are these parameters called?
Actual parameters.
Perfect. You call them actual parameters. You call them actual parameters. Okay. Now, what are these values called? These parameters, what do you call them?
Formal parameter.
Yes, you call them
Formal.
formal parameters. You call them formal parameters. So when you pass in your actual parameters primitives, when you pass in your actual parameters primitives, you call them call by value. The values will not change after the function is executed.